I'm working on a small project and need a simple, lightweight database. I don't want to set up a server or anything complicated. Is there a JavaScript database solution that's easy to use and doesn't require much setup?
You should look into NeDB. It's a lightweight JavaScript database inspired by MongoDB. It works well for small to medium-sized projects and can run in a Node.js environment or in the browser. It's like having MongoDB's core features without the need for setting up a database server.
That sounds promising. How do I get started with NeDB?
First, you need to install it. If you're using Node.js, you can install it using npm. Just run. Once installed, you can include it in your project by requiring it like any other module.
What does autoload true mean in this context?
The autoload true option automatically loads the database from the file system when you start your application. This means you don't have to manually load the database every time.
Can I use it for in-memory storage only, without persisting data to the disk?
Yes, absolutely. If you want to use NeDB as an in-memory only database, simply omit the file name option when creating the data store. This is useful for testing purposes or when persistence isn't required.
How do I insert data into a NeDB database?
Inserting data is straightforward. You can insert a document by using the insert method. Documents in NeDB are just plain JavaScript objects.
What about querying data? How is that done?
Querying data in NeDB is similar to querying in MongoDB. You use the find method for retrieving multiple documents or find one for a single document. You can use a query object to specify search criteria.
Is it possible to update or delete data?
Yes, both are possible. To update documents, use the update method. You provide a query to select the document, an update object specifying the changes, and an options object. For deletion, use the remove method with a query to select which documents to delete.
This looks really user-friendly. Are there any limitations I should be aware of?
NeDB is great for small to medium projects, but it's not suited for very large datasets or high-performance applications. It lacks some advanced features of larger databases like MongoDB, such as built-in sharding or replication. Also, since it's file-based, concurrent access can be limited compared to server-based databases.
Thanks, this gives me a clear starting point for my project.
You're welcome. Remember, NeDB is a great tool for many scenarios, especially when simplicity and ease of use are key.